Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Compass battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so always wear insulated gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, make sure your Jeep Compass is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement or electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your Jeep Compass battery. It's usually under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Once both terminals are free, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This will allow you to lift the old battery out. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with your wire brush and cleaner. This ensures good electrical contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Finally, secure the new battery firmly in place using its hold-down mechanism to prevent any movement while driving. Once everything is connected and secured, start your Jeep Compass to test the electrical system and ensure the engine cranks properly. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your battery. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.